Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what many consider the best invisible fence replacement collar on the market, the 3/4-inch nylon replacement collar by Gracie to the rescue. If you're in need of a durable, comfortable, and reliable replacement collar for your pet's electronic fence or shock collar system, this product is designed to meet those needs and then some. Right off the bat, this collar stands out with its adjustable sizing, ranging from 8 inches to 26 inches. That means whether you have a tiny pup like a dachshund or a large dog such as a Great Dane, this collar can be trimmed to fit perfectly. It's a one-size-fits-all solution, which makes it very convenient for pet owners with dogs of varying sizes. One of the key features of this collar is its compatibility. It works seamlessly with many popular electronic dog training systems, including a wide range of pet-safe models. So if you're replacing an old or worn-out collar from your current system, this strap will likely fit without any issues. This versatility is a huge plus for pet owners who want a hassle-free replacement option. Comfort is always important when it comes to dog collars, especially electronic ones. This collar uses a durable nylon strap that's both tough and low maintenance, built to handle your dog's active lifestyle. Whether your dog loves to romp around outdoors or play rough, the material is designed to hold up over time. Plus, it features a quick-release buckle, making it easy to remove when you don't need it on your dog. The collar's design includes 2 holes and a feed-through style, ensuring a secure fit that won't slip during wear. The buckle closure also adds an extra layer of reliability, so you won't have to worry about it coming loose unexpectedly. Beyond durability and comfort, the collar is made by Gracie to the rescue, a small business brand based in the USA. This means you're supporting a company with USA-based service and quality standards. The collar itself is lightweight, weighing just over 1.5 ounces, so it won't weigh your dog down or cause discomfort. Cleaning and maintenance are simple, just wash it in cold water and air dry. This keeps the collar looking fresh without any extra hassle. It's a practical solution for busy pet owners who want to keep their dog's gear clean and ready to go. In summary, if you're searching for a reliable, adjustable, and comfortable replacement collar compatible with many electronic pet containment systems, the 3/4-inch nylon replacement collar by Gracie to the rescue is a fantastic choice. It's tough enough to handle rough play, easy to adjust for any size dog, and built with quality materials. Check it out and give your dog the comfort and security they deserve with this top replacement collar. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.